Indian citizens, the Indian film industry, celebrities, politicians, including the Prime Minister, mourned the loss of actor Irfan Khan, who passed away aged 53 at a Mumbai hospital due to a colon infection. In 2018, he was diagnosed with a rare cancer and had been travelling to London for treatment. There was an outpouring of grief for this versatile actor. Shujit Sarkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Sonam Kapoor, Taapsee Pannu, among many other celebrities offered their condolences on social media. The centre has asked all officers, staff, including outsourced staff working in central government, to download Arogya Setu app on their mobile phones immediately. Before starting for office, the employees are to review their status on the app and commute only when the app shows safe or low risk. In case the app shows moderate or high risk, then the employee must not come to office and self-isolate for 14 days or until the status becomes safe or low risk. A mob in Howrah near Kolkata targeted police personnel who were trying to impose a lockdown in a COVID-19 hotspot. 2 personnel were injured as cops tried to disperse a huge crowd that had gathered at a roadside market. The mob also stoned a police outpost and 2 police vehicles were ransacked. A huge police team was sent to the area to restore order. The Jawaharlal Nehru University will soon hold online classes on leadership lessons from Ramayana. These sessions will be conducted through a webinar by the Varsity's School of Sanskrit and Indic Studies and School of Language, Literature and Cultural Studies faculty members. The registration for the course is on. JNU Vice-Chancellor M. Jagadish Kumar said he sees no reason why anyone should oppose such a course. The United States Commission on International Religious Freedom asked the US government to classify India as a country of particular concern, along with other countries like Pakistan, North Korea, China, and Saudi Arabia. The US CIRF is an advisory body to the US Congress. India has rejected the observations in the report and said that its biased and tendentious comments against Indians are not new, but on this occasion, its misrepresentation has reached new levels. US President Donald Trump once again launched an attack on China, saying that had the coronavirus been stopped at the source, then 184 countries wouldn't be going through hell. The massive outbreak in the United States has put Trump under increasing pressure from American lawmakers to decrease US dependence on Beijing, and they have also sought compensation from China. The number of COVID-19 positive cases in the US has crossed 1 million, and there have been over 59,000 deaths. The Academy of Motion Pictures Arts and Sciences has suspended the movie theatre rule for a year in the backdrop of the coronavirus crisis. Traditionally, the Academy requires at least a 7-day run in Los Angeles theatres for movies to be eligible for Hollywood's biggest prize. The Academy said in a statement that for the 93rd Academy Awards only, films that had a previously planned theatrical release but are initially made available on a commercial streaming platform may qualify.